أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, our YouTube family. Welcome to Yasmeen's family. I want to thank the Almighty Allah who has enabled me and you to reach this new verse today. It is not our power, not our knowledge, it is Allah's mercy. If you are still alive and kicking, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, glory be to Allah and praise belongs to the Almighty Allah. I want to thank all my viewers, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me, for loving me, for accepting me. There is a lot of content creator on YouTube, but you choose to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much. I'm so super thankful from the bottom of my heart. If you are new here, my name is Mama Yasmeen from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. I'm a content creator on YouTube. Kindly support me. Kindly subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will get the notification whenever we post or we upload video. We upload video, short video, we post on community. We do live stream every day from Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. East African time. Kindly, if you can, join us in our live stream whenever we come live and we premiere. So thank you so much for the love and the great support. We are so super thankful from the bottom of my heart. Today in Mama Yasmeen's family, I'm going to show you how we prepare garden egg. These garden eggs are from our yard. I didn't show you when we were harvesting, but one of our video when we were harvesting avocado and sukuma wiki, also we harvested some garden egg. So come with us and we start preparing our garden. Egg. We are going to add in carrot in our garden egg. First we have these they are from our backyard out there. So these are garden egg and carrot. We are going to use our tomatoes, 1 onion, royco, turmeric, tomato paste, curry powder, and salt. Let us start preparing everything. If it is thick, you can cut it into 4 pieces. Sometimes this garden egg they get some, how can I call it? They get some things like the maggot. Let me say it like that. Sometimes you have to cut it because sometimes they get something like maggots inside. So you have to be careful when you are going to prepare it. It's a must to cut it inside. Sometimes you can find those things inside here. onion and salt. We have here oil, salt, onion and tomato. Timber curry powder. Hamalik and paste tomato paste. Just going to add in our carrots and our garden egg. My returning subscribers, these are our garden egg and carrot, straight away from Mama Yasmeen's yard to the saucepan. Now our garden egg and carrot is ready to eat. You can serve it on rice. We are going to serve it on rice. You can serve it on any meal you want. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you in the next video, inshallah.